Hello guys, it's Tokyo here, and today I'm going to show you my US30 strategy. When you're trading, when you're starting your trading day, what you need to be focused on is your daily objective, right? And a part of your daily objective is spotting out liquidity, right? That imbalance, old highs, old lows. These are things that you need to be looking out for when you're in the market. So let's just see where the market came from, any significant areas. And again, guys, this is the daily time frame. You just want to highlight those important areas here. This is an area that has my attention. We had, seems like a supply zone. We have imbalance up here, right? And we have an OB that I'm looking at, but I'm more focused on this imbalance, right? All of this imbalance in here. So we know that we have a lot going on to the upside, but let's just focus on where we are, right? And where the market could possibly be going to. So upon checking out the market, I'm seeing that we broke structure here, right? We broke structure and made a new high. And I'm just checking out this OB right here, right? This is an order block. So we can take this off. We're not focused on this area at the moment. So guys, this is where we are, right? We're in a daily bearish OB. So what can we expect from the market from as far as we're concerned from the daily time frame? Well, guys, we can expect the market to go down. As you can see, guys, these highs have been getting lower, right? We've been getting lower with the highs. Let's just check that out, right? The highs have been getting lower since we came into this bearish OB. That's something that we want to look out for. And we have imbalance here. We have imbalance, guys. From here to here, we have imbalance. So that's something, I'm gonna make that blue. That's something that we're keeping our eyes on. We're keeping our eyes on the previous day's high and the previous day's low, which I'm also gonna highlight that right there. Previous day's high, and then we have the previous day's low, right? So this is what we are noticing. We have liquidity down here. We have this imbalance in here. The market could possibly be drawn to that area. We also have this low down here. So we have a few things that we're keeping our eyes on. Gonna make this low a little bit bold. We have this low here. So guys, if the market is headed down, it's definitely coming into this area of imbalance. And then we also have this low, right? So let's head down to the 1 hour time frame. We have the same information, guys. We just have a lot more to look at, right? It's the same information. It's just a smaller time frame. And as we can see in that area, right, we've been kind of on a down slope, right? The highs have been getting progressively lower, right? These highs have been getting lower. So let's check it out. Same information, the exact same information. We're gonna head down to the 15-minute time frame, and I'm gonna expand the chart a little bit so we can all see what's going on here. And I'm gonna check out Asia high, Asia and London's high and low, right? So let's move the chart over. Let's check out what we did in Asia and London session, because this is US30, and I'm gonna focus on US30 in New York session. So I have Asia's high, Asia's low here. I see that we've been taking out some buy side liquidity, right? We definitely have been taking out some buy side liquidity. This is London's high, right? And what else can we notice here? What else do we notice? Well, guys, I'm checking out this order block right here. That's what I'm doing. I'm checking out this order block. We can get rid of this right now. I'm checking out this order block right here, and I'm going to take that off. Let me make this a little bit different. Okay, cool. I'm checking out this order block right here. There's a lot of imbalance leading up to this OB, right? My main concern is this imbalance in here, right? Cool. So guys, what I'm looking for is for the market to possibly head up into this OB and continue down. Of course, we have previous lows to target. We have previous lows to target. And ultimately we have a low down there, right? But for now, guys, for the purpose of this video, we have this low that we could target, right? So let's just put this line here. We have an entry plan, guys. We have a plan to enter the market, and then now we have an exit strategy. So we know where we can get in, and now we know where we can get out, right? Cool. What I'm also checking out is midnight open. So midnight open is right here. This is where the candle closed. This is where the candle opened. This is midnight open here. So guys, market is definitely trading above midnight open. And I noticed that when price is trading above midnight open, it's probably more than likely a bearish day. Plus, guys, we've been taking out some buy side liquidity here, right? And we're headed into New York session, right? We're still in London session. We're headed into New York session, right? We also want to pay attention to that 8:30 and that 9:30. And you have to start paying attention to these times, right? Because it's all about time and place. When you're looking for your opportunities, guys, it's about the time and the place, right? Have you ever heard there's a time and place for everything? Well, the same applies here. It's about time and place. I'm gonna go ahead and let the market play out a little bit, and we're focused on the time and the place, right? So we're gonna just go ahead and let the market play out as we get into New York session. Okay, London session is giving us that, right? It taps right into this order block that I have my eyes on. That doesn't mean that I'm gonna enter the market at this moment. It's all good, right? The market starts just pushing down at 8:30, right? The market pushes down at 8:30, but I'm waiting for that after 9:30. And what do we have at 9:30, guys? What do we get at 9:30? We get that manipulation candle, right? And what do we have? What do we have there? We have imbalance and we have an OB. This is where we're gonna focus our attention to. We have imbalance and we have that OB right here, right? So market comes up, fills in that imbalance, right? Taps into this low and continues down. So once price taps into the OB that we have our eyes on, guys, right? We're just gonna let the market run. If it's not your trading session, then it's okay. You just let the market go on. And we notice that there's some imbalance that was left in here. The manipulation candle, it comes up, right? Back up. For those who decided that they wanted to enter here or here, right? The market goes right back up, guys, and it taps into an area, and let's just let it play out. We're just letting it play out. So we have imbalance in here. Market comes back up for this imbalance and it heads down to TP, right? And it continues down, guys, because what are we looking for? What are we targeting? Some people ask me how I was able to really catch that big of a move, guys, and it's all about liquidity. And I'm gonna speed this up. I'm gonna speed this up. And let's look at this. Market comes down for what, guys? That previous day's low. And this is how I tackle US30 and mostly all three indices. This is my strategy. This is my everyday strategy. I focus on that imbalance. I focus on previous days highs and lows. I focus on what the market is doing, where it goes at particular times, and the placement, right? Time and place. The name of the game is liquidity, guys, right? So let's get in the charts and practice, back test, see what I'm talking about time and place. Look for those order blocks, those places that have imbalance. Watch how the market responds and reacts to these areas, and practice, and you will get it.